Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a shoe reveal. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you won't miss a new video. And comment down below if you have any questions or whatever so we can stay connected. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start with the reveal. I got these pair of shoes at the Cabazon outlet on February 2020. That's a little over a month before the lockdown. It was $299 USD plus tax. And my favorite walking shoes, it's the Gucci Espadrilles Micro Guccissima in black leather. I normally wear a size 8 or 38.5, and my size in this Gucci Espadrille is 38. So I went down half a size than what I normally wear. I was so excited that they had it on my size because usually when you shop at outlet stores, they only have broken sizes. That's why you really get a good deal on their items. So it comes with 2 dust bags, one for each shoe. So after I use them, I just use a damp paper towel to wipe off the leather and soles of the shoes. And then I wait for them to dry a little bit and then put them back in the dust bag and box to store them. So when I first bought them, I love how they were very snug and comfortable on my feet. They're very stylish and they have this very distinctive look from Gucci because of the Guccissima leather. And then after I have worn them about 5 times ever since I got them, the leather has already started stretching, as you can see, making it more comfy to wear. The leather trim also used to be so stiff and now they are softer. Oh, I really love these Gucci espadrilles. I could last the whole day walking with them.